welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews, and today I have the Kit Kat apple pie. I found this at Walmart. I read they weren't supposed to come out till July, but I guess some people are getting them early, and I assume they were coming out in July, you know, for the 4th of July. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, American is apple pie. So, if you are not in the US and you've never heard that, it just means something that's typically American. And I read in the 19th and 20th centuries, the apple pie has become a symbol of prosperity and national pride. So I guess that's why it's popular during the 4th of July. You can smell it. It's crisp wafers in apple pie flavored white cream, naturally and artificially flavored. So it's the white. The lemon Kit Kat was in the white too, so was I think the birthday cake. It smells like fall. It smells like a candle. It does. It smells like a fall candle. I think in between the wafers is the apple pie flavoring. That's what I read. But the white is also supposed to be flavored. That's what I'm getting. I do get like a cinnamon appley flavor. It's not real strong though. I don't mind the white chocolate. And you can see the brown flakes, the brown specks in there. You can see it's cinnamon. I mean, I get what they're going for here, but I do get that flavor, the apple pie flavor a little bit, but closing my eyes, I don't know if I would know that that's what it was. I may have said pumpkin spice, I don't know. Actually, I kind of get more of like an apple flavor towards the end. I don't know. I don't hate it. I like what they were going for. Okay, so my 2 cents. It's okay. Would I get it again? Probably not. I do kind of get that little bit of the apple pie flavor. It's not overwhelming like I thought it would be. I'm not a huge white chocolate fan, but I don't mind it in this. It's okay. It's fun to try new things. I like when companies come out with new flavors, so it's just fun to try. But yeah, I will stick with the original Kit Kat. All right, so if you've tried it, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, it's out for July. I know some people can't find it yet. I have a couple friends who haven't been able to find it yet, but I did find it at Walmart. It was in a display. It's kind of weird. It was in a display up front, like before you pass the register. Say if you were walking down to go to like the bank or the eye care place or bathroom or whatever, it was like in the front there. It wasn't like on the other side of the registers, which was kind of weird. It's like they were hiding it. I don't know, kind of weird. If you have tried it or plan on trying it, let me know in the comments below. And that brings me to the riddle of the day. I really think these are fun. If you don't like them, let me know in the comments below. But anyway, I know some people do like them. All right, so here's the riddle for today. So what has cities but no houses, forest but no trees, and water but no fish? Let me know in the comments below. The last one I thought was a little challenging, but I was wrong. So I'm probably, this one's probably an easy one too. Let me know in the comments below if you know the answer. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.